IRE16 excavator equipped with Renheng a 420 engine meets EPA emission standards rated Power 8 cool powerful and fuel efficient. The width of the machine is 1 meter, the depth of excavation is 1.7 meters. Suitable for small working conditions, such as agriculture and forestry orchards, it can greatly replace human labor, improve work efficiency. If you are a farmer, the excavator will be your good helper. If you're a builder, excavator will be your right-hand man. No matter what industry you are in, IRE16 is able to provide full support for your work. IRE16 mechanical hydraulic operation. Flexible operation, easy to master, even beginners can pick it up easily. It has a strong and durable structural design. The fuselage design is more beautiful, ensures stability and safety even under heavy loads, and has dozens of accessories to choose from: crushing hammer, scarifier, auger. Truly realize a multi-purpose machine.